A third step to accurate wave forecast. Third step to accurate wave forecast. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders for Elliott Wave Trading. Our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. Today we will be talking about the third step to accurate wave forecasts. As I promised to traders in 2016, we will teach traders how to forecast the financial market using the Elliott wave principle. For that purpose, we have started recording the first series of video where we are telling traders the first step to accurate wave forecast is to analyze the internal wave or the first wave because it allows us to forecast the multi-wave of the Elliott wave cycle. The second step to accurate wave forecast is to analyze the internal wave of the second wave. This allows us to forecast the corrective phase of the Elliott wave cycle. Now, what is the third step to accurate wave forecast? All right? So we need to take the correct steps, because if we do not take the correct steps, we will make mistake. Or if one day you are working as a market analyst, a technical trader for a big financial institution, and they are testing you, and you take these steps, they will know that you know exactly what you are doing. Okay? So the third step is to apply the predictive fractal pattern, okay, to the first and the second wave. Now, there are more to this. We will apply not only the predictive fractal patterns. Now, the reason why I'm using predictive fractal pattern is because there is another fractal pattern that traders talk about, candlestick turn around, reversal points. I'm not talking about that at all. I never talk about it. I never record a video about that fractal pattern before. I always talk about, okay, the predictive fractal pattern of Benoit Mandelbrot. All right? So, we want to combine, okay, the Elliott wave principle with the predictive fractal pattern with the Fibonacci extension and the Fibonacci retracement. This is the third steps, okay, to accurate wave forecast. What do I mean by that? So we see now, suppose we are here, okay, we see that this is the first wave, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that the first wave has been subdivided into 5 waves. We will apply the predictive fractal pattern to the internal wave of the first wave and also to the internal wave of the second wave. We will also measure the ratio of retracement of each minor wave in relation to either. So, for instance, we'll see how far the second wave went down in relation to the first wave, how long the first wave, okay, lasts, okay, what is the magnitude of the first wave. So, talking about the magnitude in relation to the time, the magnitude, talking about the magnitude, talking about the price progression in relation to the price progression to the upside. This is about how we combine, okay, the internal wave of the first wave and the second wave together with the predictive, okay, fractal patterns, not the normal fractal pattern, the predictive fractal pattern, the Fibonacci extension, and the Fibonacci retracement. It becomes more difficult at the third stage. A lot of traders do not know how to handle that. You need more practice, you need more works, you need more time before one can master the third step to accurate wave forecast. But at least if one knows the first step, which is to analyze the internal wave of the first wave, one will start improving, okay, one's wave forecast, okay? If one also know that the second wave, the internal wave of the second wave, allow us to forecast the corrective phase of the Elliott wave cycle, one can start improving the wave forecast. But the third step requires more discipline. It requires more finesse. which means one is combining different tools, it becomes more multi-talented skills. One is combining the wave principle with the predictive fractal pattern. At the same time, one is paying attention to the Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement, even to the Fibonacci time zone in order to forecast accurately the next price move. So this is the third step, okay, to accurate a wave forecast. At that level, one is able to combine the Elliott wave theory with the predictive fractal pattern and the Fibonacci retracement and extension, and even with the Fibonacci time zones in order to establish, okay, how far the third wave can go, when the third wave will change direction, how deep the fourth Elliott wave will go, and where the fifth wave is likely to end. Remember, when one is forecasting the market using the Elliott wave theory, one is not using the wave principle as a science. One is using the wave principle as a guide. So we will forecast that, okay, the price has a high chance to go through this path. It's likely to form this pattern because of what has happened during the first and the second wave. According to the ratios of retracement, Fibonacci retracement, and the magnitude of the price during the first and the third wave, we can forecast what is likely, how far the third wave will go during the multi-wave and where the multi-wave will end. We can also forecast, paying attention to the second wave, and know exactly whether we're going to have a sharp correction at the end of the multi-wave, whether we're going to have a complex correction, and so on and so on. We'll have a little bit of idea. But we cannot use our wave forecast as a sign and try to go ahead of the market. But we'll use it as a guide. And if we see the price doing exactly what we're expecting, we will know what will be the next step, so we can position ourselves and take advantage of this accordingly. This is about the third step, okay, to accurate wave forecast. It requires more discipline, more skills, more knowledge, all right, more practice, okay, to combine all this together in order to forecast the financial markets. This is the end of the first series of video about wave forecast, talking about the first step to accurate wave forecast, second step to accurate wave forecast, third step to accurate wave forecast. In the next series of video, we will concentrate on the first step, how one can, okay, forecast the financial market using the first wave. That will be another series of video where we'll go deeper and deeper, showing traders exactly how one can use the first Elliott wave to forecast the market. So each time that we were talking about how to use, okay, the first wave or the second wave to forecast the market, we will use the third step each time. So the third step, we will be combining, okay, the predictive fractal pattern, the Fibonacci retracement level, Fibonacci extension, okay, in order to forecast the market. And then there will be another series of video which will focus on the second step, which is how to forecast the financial market using the second wave, or how to forecast the corrective effect of the Elliott wave cycle using the second wave. That will form another series of video where we'll go to real chart and demonstrating to traders exactly how this is done, how to do it, so they may develop the skills to do it. Now at this stage, we are talking about, okay, the knowledge, the first step, second step, third step. Now we know it. The second series of video will focus on how to apply this knowledge in real time to focus the market. And the third series of video, we will be going out, okay, looking at real chart and trying to gain mastery about, okay, the predictive fractal. You can see video at, okay, dayprotrader.com. It requires discipline to sit down and watch a full length of video, but it's up to you. So what is exactly predictive pattern, how one can use predictive fractal pattern, how to combine Fibonacci and a predictive fractal pattern, so we may build a strong, okay, foundation for our wave counter education. All right. This is the end of this series of video, and we hope you have enjoyed and learned something from it, and looking forward to other series of video that we will be recording throughout 2016. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about the third step to accurate whale forecast. To summarize this video, the third step to accurate whale forecast is to be able to combine, okay, a predictive fractal pattern, predictive fractal pattern, Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement with the Elliottwave pattern, with the Elliottwave principle to forecast, okay, the next price move when one is analyzing the internal waves of the first and the second wave. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you give us the thumbs down. Alright, if you love it, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our videos, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. As I promised, there will be more tutorials that will help you to become a better wave trader. Especially in 2016, we will teach traders exactly how to use the Elliottwave theory to forecast the financial market in real time. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.